Hello, my name's Molly. I'm a young adult librarian at Maine, and in celebration of Tales and Tales summer reading, I have this awesome DIY felt animal ear headband craft project for you today. So, we will be giving away take and make kits of this project at the Maine Library and the young adult department while supplies last this week. So if you don't have this stuff at home, you can stop by the Maine Library and grab a little pack with all of this stuff in it. If you aren't going to come to the library to pick up a take and make of this craft, then what you will need is 2 pieces of felt. I'm making fox ears today, so I have orange felt and white felt. You also need some kind of headband, a permanent marker, scissors, and hot glue. If you don't have a hot glue gun at home, that's okay. You can use like tacky glue or fabric glue instead. You just have to make sure that you wait for the glue to dry between doing parts of this project. So I've already cut out our pattern. You can find patterns online pretty easily, or you could even draw your own pattern. So what I'm gonna do is put my pattern on my felt and trace my patterns on both my white and my orange felt. So once you have traced your patterns, then we're just going to cut our patterns out. All right, now we've cut out all of our pieces, and as you can see, you can still kind of see some of the permanent marker outline on our felt. So when we are attaching our ears to our headband, we want to make sure that the permanent marker part is on the inside of the ear so that we can't see that. So I'm kind of just laying out here what our ears are going to look like. And you want to make sure that they're even on the headband. So I'm doing a little practice here and just making sure that they're in about the same place. And then we're going to use our hot glue, and we are going to glue our ears to each other, and we're going to use a little bit of glue to glue them to the headband also. So I'm going to put a stripe in the center of my ear and on top here. And then I'm just going to fold it over and stick it to my headband. All right, and then I'm gonna do the same on this side and just make sure that my permanent marker is hidden on the inside here. I wanna make sure that my ears are even. I think about there. So then I'm going to put a little bit of glue down the center where it will stick to the headband, and also some glue up here so the ears will stick to each other. And if you're doing this with tacky glue, like I said, you can just do the same thing. When I've done it with tacky glue in the past, I've had to like lay something heavy on the ears so that they are sure to stay together. And then we're going to put our little white bits on also. So again, make sure that you're covering up the permanent marker marks from when you cut out your pieces. So put that glue on that side. Here we go, and last one. And there, we've got our animal ear headbands. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you find some great craft projects to do and some good books to read about animals this summer.